Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a young girl named Lily. She lived with her parents in a small village surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. Lily was a curious and adventurous child, always eager to explore the world around her. One day, while wandering in the woods, Lily stumbled upon a magical garden. The garden was unlike any she had ever seen before, with vibrant flowers of all colors and sizes, towering trees, and sparkling fountains. In the center of the garden was a beautiful palace made entirely of crystal. As Lily approached the palace, she saw a tall and imposing figure standing in front of the entrance. It was the guardian of the palace, a fierce dragon with gleaming scales and fiery breath. "You cannot enter this palace, young one," the dragon warned Lily. "It is guarded by powerful magic, and only those who are pure of heart may enter." Lily was not deterred by the dragon's warning. She knew that she had a pure heart and a strong will, and she was determined to enter the palace and see what secrets it held. With a deep breath, Lily stepped forward and faced the dragon. She looked into his eyes and spoke with a calm and steady voice. "Dear dragon," she said, "I mean no harm. I simply wish to explore this magical palace and learn its secrets. I promise to treat it with respect and honor." To Lily's surprise, the dragon stepped aside and allowed her to pass. She entered the crystal palace, and the door shut behind her with a soft click. Inside, Lily found herself in a grand hall filled with sparkling jewels and treasures of all kinds. She wandered through the rooms, marveling at the beauty and wonder of it all. But as she explored deeper into the palace, Lily realized that something was amiss. The walls and floors began to shake, and the jewels and treasures began to shift and jostle. Suddenly, Lily found herself in a room filled with darkness. She could not see anything, and she was afraid. But then, she heard a voice. "Lily," the voice said, "you have entered the palace of the Dark Wizard, and now you are trapped. You must find a way out before it is too late." Lily knew that she had to act quickly. She searched the room with her hands and found a small stone. She held it tight in her hand and concentrated, feeling a spark of energy within her. With a flash of light, Lily created a torch and used it to light her way through the darkness. She explored the palace, facing many challenges and obstacles, but she never gave up. Finally, after what seemed like hours, Lily found the way out. She emerged from the palace, battered and bruised but victorious. As she walked back to her village, Lily realized that she had learned an important lesson. The journey through the palace had tested her courage, determination, and resourcefulness. And she had emerged from it a stronger and more confident person. From that day forward, Lily knew that she could face any challenge that came her way. She was a true hero, and nothing could stop her from exploring and discovering the wonders of the world.